Okay, so we will continue this chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Little bit was left. Okay, so when did the boy realize that he had lost his parents? At what point? Who will answer?
Ma'am, when he was
When
looking at the
he
roundabout.
Yes, when at the roundabout. At the roundabout, he realized that he had lost his parents. There was no reply when made a bold request. He made a bold request that I want to ride on this roundabout, but he didn't get any reply. Then what he started doing when he did not get any reply?
He started searching,
Searching his parents.
his parents here and there and start crying.
Yes, very good. He started searching his parents here and there. He started crying. And finally, where did he enter finally?
In a
In the
temple.
temple.
The temple.
The
Yes,
shrine.
yes, very good. Shrine. Shrine means temple. So he thought that maybe his parents have gone to the temple to worship. So he entered the temple. And there was a lot of crowd in the temple. And there was no space for him to enter. So what he did was mute your
He
mic.
shouted loudly.
Shouted loudly तो बाद में किया. First, how did he enter? Because there was no space. Because there
He
was no.
passed.
Hmm.
He
Yes,
passed between the
He
legs of
passed with
men.
legs of
He
the
passed
people.
the legs of the people.
yes, very good. He passed between the legs of the people, and then he entered, and there was so much of crowd. There was so much of crowd that the boy was pushed from one side to the other. हाँ, हिरन यहाँ से ये तो हो गया. This was complete. Shrine. Okay. So uh, there was so much of crowd and people were pushing each other and they were angry with each other, murderous eyes. And this boy, he would have knocked, he would have been trampled. वो मतलब लोग उसे कुचल देते अगर लोग उसे कुचल देते अगर वो जोर से नहीं चिल्लाया होता. हैड ही नॉट श्रीक्ड एट द हाईएस्ट पिच ऑफ हिज वॉइस, अगर वो जोर से नहीं चीखा होता तो क्या होता? लोग उसको कुचल दिए होते. ट्रैम्पल. ट्रैम्पल मीन्स स्टैम्प. पुट योर फुट ऑन समवन. ट्रैम्पल. ट्रैम्पल मीन्स पुट योर फुट ऑन
हम कुचल देना.
कुचल देना. So, had he not shrieked at the highest pitch of his voice, means very loudly, highest pitch, though when he when he understood that his life was in danger, people will trample him, then what he did, he started shouting loudly, Father, Mother. A man in the surging crowd heard his cry and stooping. What is the meaning of stooping?
To bend.
मैम आपका
To
आवाज ही नहीं
bend.
आ रहा है.
आवाज नहीं आ रहा, रुको देखना.
मैम आ रही है आवाज.
हमारी आवाज.
आवाज आ रही है.
जिसको आवाज नहीं आ रहा माइक अपना एडजस्ट कर लो. सी द कनेक्शन एट योर एंड. सो
मैम आपका आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा है.
खुशी भारती, यू एडजस्ट योर माइक, अदर्स कैन हियर. बाकी लोगों को सुनाई दे रहा है. इज देयर एनीवन एल्स हु इज नॉट एबल टू हियर? खुशी खुशी, you leave the meeting and rejoin it, maybe then.
मैम आपका आवाज ही तो नहीं आ रहा है.
खुशी, इट्स प्रॉब्लम फ्रॉम योर एंड. तुम अपना ये मीटिंग लीव करके और फिर तुम ज्वाइन करो.
मैम चैट बॉक्स में लिख दीजिए.
हाँ, चैट बॉक्स में लिख देते हैं. कोई लिख दो किसके क्लास का, खुशी किसके क्लास की है, लिखो उसको कि लीव करके रीजॉइन करें. So stooping means
चैट
like
डिसेबल्ड है
क्या? Chat disabled है.
मैम, चैट नहीं जा रहा है मैम. आप चैट करके भेज सकती है.
अच्छा. अ, खुशी का रीजन में दो ही हो गए. Okay. Stooping means bending. Write the meaning of stooping. Stooping means bending. अब उस भीड़ में एक बहुत अच्छा आदमी भी था जिसने उस छोटे से लड़के की रोने की आवाज सुनी. And he lifted up him up in his arms. So in the crowd there was a very decent person, a kind-hearted man who saw this small boy crying loudly, and he lifted up in his arms. He knew that if the boy was not taken out of the temple, he may die. So he lifted up in his arms. How did you get here, child? Whose baby are you? The man asked as he steered clear of the mass. So steered clear of the mass means made his way through the crowd. Made his mass here means crowd. Steered clear means अपना रास्ता साफ करके वो बाहर निकला. Made his way through the crowd. So this kind
मैम आपका आवाज ही तो नहीं आ रहा है.
अरे खुशी तुम अपना माइक को
अरे
एडजस्ट
rejoin
करो,
करो.
चैट में भेजे हैं. So made his way through the crowd. Steered clear of the mass means made his way through the crowd. I want my mother, I want my father. Again he started crying. The child wept more bitterly than ever now. Now the child was crying more bitterly. और जोर जोर से वो रोने लगा. Because this was his last hope. He had thought that maybe his parents are there inside the temple. This was his last hope. But here also he could not find his parents. So he started crying more bitterly. I want my mother. I want my father. The man tried to soothe him. Soothe मतलब शांत करना. Comfort, console. Comfort and console. सांत्वना देना. So this man, this kind-hearted man who had picked up the boy in the temple, he tried to comfort and console him by taking him to the roundabout. Now this man thought that he was a small boy, and if he offered him the things in the fair, then his attention will be distracted. So he took him to the roundabout. Will you have a ride on the horse? He gently asked as he approached the ring. So approached means what? Come near. Approach means come near. So he came near the ring and he asked the boy that, will you have a ride on the horse? The child's throat tore into 1,000 shrill sobs. Now what happened? This boy, he continued crying. Throat tore into 1,000 shrill sobs means he kept on sobbing. He kept on crying slowly. Into 1,000 shrill sobs, and he only shouted, I want my mother, I want my father. So this child, he wanted to have a ride on the roundabout, but when he lost his parents, then all those things did not attract him at all. So this tells us the psychology of the child, that for a child the parents are the priority. Other things are only secondary. Only if you have parents, then if your parents are with you, then you want other things. But once he lost his parents, the other things fail to attract him. So the man asked that, you can see the boy, he is crying, and the man, he is trying to console and comfort him. Can you see the screen? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So you can
Yes,
see,
ma'am.
yes, the kind hearted man, he is trying to console and comfort, soothe. Soothe means to console and comfort. And he's continuously crying, little cute boy. Huh? The man headed towards the place where the snake charmer still played on the flute, to the swaying cobra. Swaying means what? Move one side to the other. The cobra was just moving to and fro, moving to and fro. So then this man thought that maybe some other thing will attract this child. So he took him to the snake charmer, and he was still playing the flute. Listen to that nice music, child, he pleaded. Pleaded means requested. So he requested the child, listen to the soft music, he pleaded. But the child shut his ears with his fingers and shouted his double pitched strain. Now, nothing was fascinating the child. Earlier, everything fascinated him. But now, once he lost his parents, nothing was important for him. All these things did not attract him at all. Now, he just wanted his parents. He shut his ears with his fingers, and then again he shouted his double pitched strain. Double pitched strain means again loudly, loudly. I want my mother. I want my father. The man took him near the balloons, thinking the bright colors of the balloons would distract the child's attention and quieten him. Now, this man, he thought that all the children like balloons a lot. So this man thought that if I buy balloons for this boy, then his attention will be distracted from his parents. So he took him to the balloon man. Would you like a rainbow colored balloon? He persuasively asked. Persuasively means what?
Forcefully.
फोर्स नहीं, मनाना. परसुएड मतलब मनाना, कन्विंसिंगली. किसी को कन्विंस करना, मनाने के टोन में. कन्विंसिंगली ही आस्क्ड, he was trying to convince him, to persuade him that take these things and be quiet. The child turned his eyes from the flying balloons and just sobbed, I want my mother, I want my father. Now the child is not attracted to the balloons also. He kept on crying, no, no, I want my mother and father. The man still trying to make the child happy, and this man, he kept on trying and trying. The child was not attracted to anything. Now he kept on crying and repeating the same sentence, I want my mother, I want my father. The man, still trying to make the child happy, bore him to the gate where the flower seller sat. Look, can you smell those nice flowers, child? Would you like a garland to put round your neck? So now this man, he took him to the flower seller who was selling the gulmohar garlands. And he said to the small boy that, can you smell the fragrance of the flowers? हाँ, uh, would you like a garland to put round your neck? हाँ, उस काइंड हार्टेड स्ट्रेंजर ने पूछा कि क्या मैं तुम्हें एक माला लेके दूं, तुम उसे अपने गर्दन में पहन लेना. Would you like a garland to put round your neck? So this man, now he was trying his level best. He said that uh, I will buy for you a nice garland. तुम उस माला को अपने गर्दन में पहन लेना. The child turned his nose away from the basket. The sweet smell of the flowers failed to attract this boy. हाँ, फूलों के सुगंध से भी वो आकर्षित नहीं हुआ. And reiterated means repeated. Continuously वो सिसक रहा था. Sobbing means सिसकना, जोर से नहीं रोना. So repeated. So he repeated his sobs. The same sentence he was repeating again and again. I want my mother. I want my father. Thinking to humor his disconsolate charge by a gift of sweets. Humor means make happy. Humor. Humor means make happy. ऐसे ह्यूमर मतलब होता है मजाक उड़ाना या ये something very funny, humor. But here in this context, it means to make happy. Disconsolate means who cannot be consoled, जिसको शांत नहीं किया जा सके. Who cannot be consoled, जिसको शांत नहीं किया. इतना कोशिश कर रहा था वो kind hearted stranger कि वो लड़का जो है कुछ भी लेकर शांत हो जाए. He took him to the snake charmer, to the roundabout, to the flowers. But that child did not want anything. He kept on crying and repeating the same sentence. I want my mother. I want my father. Now this man thought that if I give him sweets, then maybe this boy becomes quiet. So to make this inconsolable, disconsolate boy happy, he took him to the sweet shop. Buy a gift of sweets. The man took him to the counter of the sweet shop. उसको मिठाई वाले दुकान के पास वो ले गया. What sweets would you like, child? He asked. The child turned his face from the sweet shop. Now, barfi was his favorite sweet. The moment he entered the fair, he saw the sweet meat shop and there he wanted to purchase barfis. मुंह में पानी आ गया था उसका. His mouth had started watering. But now what is the situation? Even he does not want any sweets. He wants only his mother and father. Took him to the counter of the sweet shop. What sweets would you like, child? He asked. The child turned his face from the sweet shop and only sobbed. I want my mother. I want my father. So the child kept on crying. So the story ends here. What happened to the child? Whether he was united with his parents or whether the stranger took him to his own house, you have to end the story in your own way. ठीक है ना. यहाँ जो है स्टोरी एंड यही कर गया. The child kept on crying and the stranger kept on consoling him. So the question answers are there. What are the things a child sees on the way to the fair? Why does he lag behind? Here you have to write the things that he sees on his way. रास्ते में, मेला में क्या देखा वो नहीं लिखना है, रास्ते में. So toys, mustard fields, insects, that those things you have to write. Is it clear? See all. Khushi, now can you hear my voice now? Khushi Bharti. नहीं सुना.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can hear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There was some problem from your side, I think. Okay.
No, ma'am.
हाँ, तो फिर सबको सुनाई दे रहा था.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what are the things the child sees on his way? You have to write what he saw on his way to the fair. रास्ते में क्या क्या देखा? Mustard fields, then
Toys.
of trees, toys,
Butterfly.
butterfly, वो सब.
Then balloons.
Yeah. नहीं, balloon तो मेला में देखा था. Then in the fair he wants many things. What are they? Here you have to write the things that he wanted in the fair. Barfi, then Gulmohar garland,
Ma'am, balloons.
balloon,
Balloons.
Ma'am, colorful balloons.
yes, roundabout. Have a ride on the roundabout. So why does he move on without waiting for an answer? डिमांड तो वो कर देता था, लेकिन जवाब मिलने से पहले ही मूव ऑन कर जाता था. क्यों?
Because he
Because
because he
he
know the
Because
answer of
whenever
his
because he
parents.
knows
he
he
thinks
thinks
why they
his
do
parents
that.
gave him
I
a
will find
cautionary
out, then
call.
you answer. Okay. Who will answer? Vishakha? Vishakha Naini? Vishakha, can you hear me? Two participants raised hand. Okay, Janvi. Okay, Janvi, you answer. Chorus.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. He did not. He moved without waiting for the answer of his parents because he know the answers of his parents, as the parents do not allow him to to purchase anything.
Yes, very good. He knows that his parents are not going to buy him anything, and he also knows the answer for everything. That when he will ask for balloons, they will say that you are too old to play with toys. If he will ask sweets, then they will say that you are very greedy. So he knows that his parents are not going to purchase. So he moves on without waiting for an answer. Okay, then third question, when does he realize that he has lost his way? How have his anxiety and insecurity been described? So, uh, first one is first part of the question is very clear. Uh, when he realized, who will answer? Srija? Srija answer?
Ma'am, he realizes that he has lost his way when he turns to his parents to ask to ride on the roundabout.
Okay. And then you have to write how his anxiety and his insecurity has been described. Means, how he was worried, how he started crying, and he ran from here and there. Those things that are mentioned, that you have to write. Anxiety and insecurity. पहले- जितने भी हैं आंसर, ये इस पैराग्राफ से. Let me show you the paragraph. Mute yourself. Someone's mic is unmuted. Wait, who is it? ये तन्वी mic. Okay. Okay. So this is these are all the things which describe his anxiety and insecurity. Tears rolled down from his eyes, and a deep cry rose within his throat. He ran from one side to the other in all directions, knowing not where to go. ये सब जो है lines, 3-4 line लिख देना कि this is how his insecurity and anxiety is being described. हाँ? Tears rolled down from his eyes. He ran in all directions to search his father and mother. So
He went to the temple to search his parents.
yes, that also you can add. So you have to write. Your answer is in that particular paragraph. मतलब वो खो जाने के बाद का जो description है, that you have to write in short. Don't write everything; it will become very long. 3-4 sentences you can pick up from that paragraph, and then you can write.
आगे बंद कर दो गोपाल.
Again, someone's mic is unmute. Okay, then why does the child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier?
The child loses
Because
his
he
interest in the
wanted her
things that
mother,
he
father.
had wanted earlier.
Manveen,
So
you want to
only
answer?
thing that he
Manveen?
want at that.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
तो किसका आवाज था एक मेल वॉइस? Ayush Singh, you want to answer? Ayush has raised his hand. Ayush,
Yes, ma'am.
you want to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, answer. Why does the child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier.
Yes.
He has lost his parents on the way while going to fair.
Okay.
He was only seeking and calling, I want my father and I want my mother.
Okay. So he did not lose on the way. He lost his parents in the fair. Okay, your answer is correct. So he lost interest in the things he wanted earlier because parents are of primary importance to him. Other things are just secondary. Parents are more important to the child than any other thing. Parent is more important to the child than any other thing. So what do you think happens in the end? ये जो है वो तुमको अपने इमेजिनेशन के अनुसार लिखना है ना. यू कैन गिव योर ओन एंडिंग टू द स्टोरी. अपने तरह से तुम स्टोरी को एंड कर सकते हो कि वो दैट स्ट्रेंजर टुक हिम टू द reported in the police station and the parents also were searching the child and they were united. This can you can end the story in your own way. So it depends on your personal thinking, how you think the story might end. Okay.
मैम इंग्लिश में कॉपी कैसे बनाना है?
इंग्लिश में 2 कॉपी बनाना है, एक लिटरेचर के लिए और एक ग्रामर के लिए. लिटरेचर में जो है वो एक कॉपी में दोनों का क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कर लेना. जैसे 2 बुक है, तुम लोग का बी हाइव है और मोमेंट्स है. इन इंग्लिश यू हैव 2 बुक्स, बी हाइव एंड मोमेंट. So you can make one single literature copy and do the question answers in the same copy, and then you can make one copy for grammar in which you will write the notes of the grammar topics and the writing section. I sent the PDF of the simple present tense, so that all of you write in your copy, because in the next class I will start with the past tense. Present I have already taught in class 9B and E, and the rest of the sections GJ you can see the structure from the PDF. So okay, then,
ओके मैम.
okay, there are a few MCQ questions. You can do it now. The question pattern in class 9 you are aware. 9th में जो क्वेश्चन पैटर्न होंगे उसमें जो है MCQ, you are going to have 40 marks MCQ. Okay, you have to practice in the same pattern. So what did the child say when a man asked him, whose baby are you? 4 options are given. Which is the correct one? Wait, don't answer in chorus. When I point out, you answer. Okay, one Shivangi Singh has raised the hand. Shivangi, chalo, bolo.
The child said, I want my father, I want my mother.
Yes, the correct answer is the first one. The child said, I want my mother, I want my father. Then the second question is, at what point in the fair did the child lose his parents? किस समय उसको realize हुआ कि parents नहीं है? जानवी है, आयुष है और मानवेंद्र. Okay, मानवेंद्र, you haven't answered.
At the
Option
roundabout.
D दिखाई भी नहीं दे रहा. Sorry ma'am, but option D दिखाई नहीं दे रहा ma'am.
Option
Ma'am, at the roundabout.
हाँ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा, पता नहीं क्यों. अच्छा अब दिख, हाँ, at the roundabout उसको. So this one is the correct answer. Okay, yes, it was my mistake only. चलो, चलो. Okay, the child wanted to have balloons, yet he walked on. Why? He knew his parents would never buy him balloons. He knew his parents would say he was too old to play with such toys. Both A and B, neither A nor B. Nine parts.
Ma'am, B.
Wait.
Both A and B.
Ma'am, both
Yes.
ma'am, C is
Ma'am,
the
both
right
A and
answer.
B.
A and B.
Above is the answer.
Okay, Shruti
Ma'am,
Kumari.
C is the
both A
correct
and B.
option. Both
Shruti
A and B.
Kumari. Shruti Kumari. Answer. You have raised.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Ma'am, C is the right answer. Both A and B.
Okay, C, both A and B. He knew his parents would never buy him balloons, and he also knew what his parents would say. He is too old to play with balloons. Yes. Okay. What did the child want to have at the flower shop? Garland of roses, garland of violets, garland of moher, garland of lilies.
Ma'am, C.
Ma'am, C. Garland
A
of
garland
Gulmohar.
of
Garland of Gulmohar.
Garland of Gulmohar.
Ayush Goyal. Ayush Goyal, you answer.
Yes, ma'am. A
Answer.
garland of Gulmohar.
Yes, very
C.
good. Yes, very good. Garland of Gulmohar. Okay. Question number 5. What did the child say as they passed by the sweet meat shop?
Ma'am, A.
What was his
Ma'am,
favorite?
A.
A.
He said, I
A.
want that
A.
burfi.
A.
He
He
said,
said,
I
want that burfi.
And burfi was his
Yes,
favorite
burfi
sweet.
was his favorite
ma'am.
sweet. His mouth had started watering when he saw the burfi. Okay. What shop was there at the entrance of the fair? सबसे पहले कौन सा दुकान आया? Wait, I'll
A
figure out
sweet,
that
a
one.
sweet meat
A sweet meat shop.
meat shop.
Meat shop.
Wait, Om Kumar, you
meat
answer. Om Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. A sweet shop. Sweet meat shop.
Yes, very good. Sweet meat shop. Don't answer in chorus. I'll point out your name. Then you answer. Okay. Question 7 is, what did the child start doing when a shower of young flowers fell on him? Okay. He started collecting the flowers from the ground. He started gathering the raining petals in his hand. He started dancing with joy. He started. Wait, I'll point out. Don't answer. Ayush Goyal. Anurag Roy. Anurag Roy, answer. Anurag.
He started gathering the raining petals in his hands.
Yes, very good. He started gathering the raining petals in his hands. Okay, very good. Then, what did the parents do when they reached a shady grove? They collected some flowers, they lay down to rest, they sat down on the edge of the well, they listened to the cooing of the doves. Wait, I will point out. Kiska हाथ उठा? Manvendra already answered. Shivangi Singh. Okay, Shivangi. Shivangi, you answer.
Ma'am, they lay down to rest for some time.
Nahi.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, they listen to the cooling of doves.
Nahi.
No,
Guess what
ma'am.
nahi?
They sat down on the edge of
They
a
sat
well.
down on the edge of a well.
Yes, they sat down on the, what is
Ma'am,
mentioned
C
in the
option.
story?
Ma'am, D option.
Option C. Option C, they sat down on the edge of the well. You have to write what is mentioned in the story. It is mentioned that they reached the shady grove and they sat down on the edge of the well. Who said to the child, come on to the footpath? Father, mother, both the father and
And both the father and the mother. C option.
come child, come on to the footpath. This sentence is said by mother, I think. Father, mother. Okay. C only. Both. Okay, then question number 10. What did the flowering mustard field look like? So white like silver, red like a rose, pale like melting gold, lovely like a rainbow.
Pale like
C.
Pale like melting
Pale
gold.
like melting gold. Pale like melting gold.
Anshu Kumar, you answer.
Ma'am, option C, pale like melting gold.
Yes, the mustard flowers are yellow in color, so it is compared with gold. That is a yellow metal. Pale like melting gold. Okay. So what did the father do when the child said, I want that toy? He at once bought the toy for the child. He said, look, child, what is before you? He looked
Ma'am,
at
he looked at the child
Ma'am, he
red
looked
eye.
at the
He
child
looked at the
red-eyed.
child
Look at
Ma'am,
the
option
child
C is the correct
red-eyed.
option.
He looked at the
Tanvi,
child
you
at
answer,
red-eyed.
Tanvi?
He looked at the child red-eyed.
Yes. What word is used to describe his cruelty? Tyrant. He looked tyrant means cruel. So, what did the parents say when the child lagged behind?
Come, child, come.
Come, child,
Ma'am,
come.
option A is
Come,
the correct
child, come.
option. Come, child, come.
Come, child, come. Option A. Who was the who, who was the little boy going with? Very easy. All of you must
With
know
his
it.
father and mother. With his
With
father
his
and mother.
father and mother.
Yes.
Option C is the correct option, ma'am.
Yes, option C is the correct answer. Okay, so how were the people dressed for the festival? Shabbily, daily, carelessly, scantily.
नमस्ते मैम
ये gaily होना चाहिए. हमको ये this
Ma'am, D option
printing
B is the correct option.
gaily. What is the correct answer?
Gaily.